Welcome all, this is another lecture of topology series. In this lecture we'll see what is the connected space. We'll directly go to the definition of connected space, before which we'll see what is the separation of space X. The separation of topological space X is a pair of two disjoint non-empty subsets U and V of X such that U union V is equal to whole space X. And a space X is said to be connected if there exists no such separation of space X. We'll see equivalent definition of connected space. A space X is said to be connected if and only if only subsets of topological space X that are both open as well as closed are empty set and a space X itself. That is, a space is said to be connected if and only if there exists no proper subset of topological space X which is both open as well as closed. For example, if we have X is equal to open interval 1, 2 union open 3 closed 4, then this space is not connected, as we have open interval 1, 2 is a proper subset of topological space X which is open as well as closed in X. Similarly, interval open to closed 4 is also proper subset of X which is open as well as closed in X. So thus, by definition above, space X will not be connected, as we found two disjoint non-empty proper subsets U and V of X such that U union V is equal to X. That is a separation of space X, and thus X is not a connected space. We'll see the proof of equivalent definition. Space X is connected if and only if only subset of X that are closed as well as open are empty set and a space X itself. To prove this theorem, we'll use the contrapositive statement. That is, we'll prove the separation of X exists or X is not a connected space if and only if there exist proper non-empty subsets U and V of X which are both open as well as closed. So first we assume that there exists a separation of X, that is, there exist U and V open subsets of X such that U intersection V is empty and U union V is equal to X. So we consider U open in X. What does this mean? U complement will be X minus U is equal to V. Then this V will be closed since U is open and V is its complement. So what we got? A subset V of X is actually open as well as closed, and that's what was our claim. Now conversely, suppose there exists subset A of X, proper subset A of X which is open as well as closed in X, then our claim will be there exists a separation of X. To prove this, we have A is open subset of X. So what does this means? A complement is equal to X minus A, which will be closed since A is open. So let us name this set X minus A is equal to B. So what we got? There exists set B such that A union B is whole X and A complement is equal to B. Thus A intersection B is equal to empty, and hence A and B are two sets which forms a separation of X, and hence the proof.